Well, this is springtime in Texas. Oh, if you haven't seen, that's my new fence I've been working on. But this is springtime in Texas for you. So we do what we call hail drill, but got the garage packed up with cars. So wife's car is in the garage, and still have my big toolbox squeezed in over there. And the truck is up in the air and has stuff under it, stuff on top of it. So A, I have too much junk, but B, this is kind of what you do. So I opened up the carport spot to get the neighbor's car pulled in. So luckily we didn't end up with any damage at the house that I know of yet, but there are people probably 25 miles away from me that had big hail, like literally baseball size hail. So fortunate tonight, or this morning, fortunate that we didn't end up with any of that, but this is kind of what the garage looks like at the moment. So I'll see you later. Still springtime in Texas. Oh, it is. I'm glowing. It's really hot and really humid, but we got a cold front coming in and more potential hail. So I got the RX in the garage and tucked away, and text the neighbor and tell them that they can use the carport again. So maybe I'll get some beer out of it. We'll know. Who knows? We'll see. Well, I got the wife's car put back outside, and we're gonna get the door torn down so we can get that over to paint. So I'm gonna drag it out and tear it down real quick. Strip those two wires and see if I can do this one-handed here. Take the old Makita drill battery, and we got a positive and a negative. I don't know which way we need to do it, but we're gonna see if we can't get this window to roll down so we can take it apart. Alright, so the yellow in the positive side and then the red in the negative side, and I can get the window to move a little bit. So I got the door all torn down, got all my various parts there, and then some more big parts there, and I got the door all cleaned up. The last step is going to be removing the door protection strip. And the reason why we're going to remove this is so we can paint it. The other reason why we're going to remove it is because this is a grandpa truck. Well, it is a gross rainy day again, because that's springtime in Texas. So unfortunately nothing happening on the truck. It's still storage bin right now, but I did get my fenders back from paint, so they look killer, and ready to get those going, get those installed here shortly, and wait for, I got to get the door repainted and my grill shell and my Harley Davidson valence, and then I have a painted front bumper up at work that's getting a little bit of repair work done on it, just a couple tiny little dents pulled on it, and we'll get it painted too. So still waiting on control arms from Stiflers. Don't have any ETA on those, unfortunately. Kind of frustrating, but you know, custom parts, sometimes this happens. So truck still looks exactly the same as you last saw it, so it's got all the suspension gutted completely off of it, and like I said, unfortunately not a whole lot of updates, but we'll get the rest of this figured out as soon as we can. And believe me, I want to get it back on the road. So thanks for hanging in there with me, and I will let you know as soon as I know more, and see y'all on the next one.